Over the past 5 years, Opedix has worked with some of the top scientists and research institutions to study the effects of their KneeTec tights on skiers. Research began at the Steadman Philippon Research Institute in 2010 and eventually expanded to include over 350 ski professionals from Aspen, Beaver Creek, Breckenridge, Taos, and Vail. This initial research demonstrated that the KneeTec tights reduced knee pain by 26%, reduced quadriceps fatigue by 29%, and improved recovery by 30%. While these results were impressive, and subsequent research continued to support initial findings, the team at Opedix wanted to know more. Specifically, how were the KneeTec tights positively influencing biomechanics and movement patterns in skiers to reduce pain and fatigue, improve recovery, and potentially reduce injury risk? In 2014, Opedix partnered with the University of Denver Human Dynamics Laboratory to further explore the exact mechanisms behind the research results to date.
At the University of Denver Human Dynamics Laboratory, we work with Opedix to help them understand the effects that their products have on their customers. We use our 4-step process in biomechanics to help look at that interaction of the garment with the person itself.
In order to measure joint torque and muscle function outside of a traditional laboratory setting, the team at DU developed an integrated wireless system incorporating 15 inertial measurement units, a global positioning system, electromyographic sensors, pressure insoles, and an onboard processor to measure acceleration, speed, joint angles, ground reaction forces, and muscle activation. By allowing the test subjects to use their own equipment and perform trials on a standard slalom course in consistent conditions, researchers were able to remove key variables and isolate the effects of Opedix KneeTec tights versus standard compression tights. Using slalom race simulations with 9 linear gates spaced at 13-meter intervals, the study compared the alpine ski turning technique of 9 study-blind athletes who wore KneeTec 2.0 tights and standard compression tights in separate trials. The research revealed that a more efficient technique resulted when wearing the Opedix KneeTec 2.0 tights. Greater hip flexion at the initiation of the turn moved the force application point forward and towards the inside edge of the ski, resulting in a 10-degree greater edge angle at the initiation of the turn and reduced effort from the quadriceps muscles to steer the skis. As a result of this improved athletic posture and technique, peak knee torque was reduced 16%, quadriceps muscle activation was 17% lower, and average turn duration was reduced 4/100ths of a second per turn. Athletes were able to complete the turn phase faster, with reduced effort and less load on their joints.
If we apply these results to the average person, then less fatigue means that you move better during your sport and recover more quickly, and it allows you to get back to the trail or the ski slopes as soon as possible.